Usathoma umnyaka imikhangiso emisebenzi itheghiya emapalini endleleni emabodeni wemakhiwo kunye neenkundleni zokuthindana. Ubunengi bayo ayitsho bona ifuna imali kodwa uthi nasele ubathinda abaqatjhi mbumbulu bakutshele ngemali ezikulu abakufuna zona nokuthi uthumele imininingwana yakho epheleleko. Abantu bazifaka nengozini yokuthi banikele ngemininingwana yabo eyifihlo kibogalajana ba ekugcineni isetshenziselwe ukulelesa. Banengi abantu esele badlelwe imali zabo, abanye bayavela, abanye bayasaba, kanti lapho khunye kuba indaba yenhloni zokuthi sebazokuphenduka ihlekisa ebantwini. Sibuya Nenyanda. Kwaba kuhle kangangani ukuhlanganiswa nguwe ngendaba zehlelo Sibuya Nenyanda kodwa lapha kwe-SABC lehaye ngingubranko Nkambulo kwabhoholo komloyisani. Isibalo sabantu abangasebenziko ngeSewula Afrika sehlele ku-31.9% ekoteni yesithathu yomnyaka ophelileko. Leso silinganiso esiphasi khulu nakuqalwa ukusukela ekuthomeni komnyaka. Isibalo sabantu abangasebenziko siphunguke nge-72,000, lokho kwenza bona siye ku-7.8 million. Kwathi abantu abaqatjhwako satjhuguluka nge-399,000, lokho kubeka abantu abasebenza ku-16.7 million. Nanyana kunjalo, indlu enzima isabonakala idosa nzinyana naziza emisebenzini. Konke lokho kubangelwa ukuthi iinkhampani eziningi zithi naziqatjhako zifune umuntu onelemuko lomsebenzi, onemfundo ezithileko namakghonofundo athileko. Yeke-ke ngikho kanye lokho okwenza bona bogalajani abadlela abantu imali barhagale ngokuthi bazokufunela abantu imisebenzi ukube kanti bafuna ukubagalaja. Estudio namhlanje sikhambisana nobaba uVusi Mazibuko umnyango wezabasebenzi nokuqatjha. Baba Mazibuko ke sokuthi nasikhuluma naye sizobonyana usihladlula uthini endabeni ezinjengalezi. Ngaphambi kwalokho akhe sithindane nomunye obengungazimbi walesi sehlakalo esibhlungu kangaka nesinendaba ezimbi kangaka oza kuba ngohloka igama kwanamhlanje hloka igama siyakwamukela yeche.
Sithokoze baba, ngiyajabula ukungamukela.
Sengiso kweleso sikhathi ekuthomeni komnyaka abantu bafunana nemisebenzi, siyazi bonyana nabogalajani nabo bavule amehlo bathwele nendlebe. Ke sakho isehlakalo ngakhe usivezele ukuthi kwenzekani.
Ya, mina ngezwe ubuhlungu khulu bangigalaja imali enkulu 1,500 ereki. Kwenzeka ukuthi ngelinye ngithoma story mos.
Ngizakuzwa kamnandi ungaraga.
Yeah. Ya kwenza ukuthi ngelinye ilanga bengingumuntu ofuna ukuziklina indeni bese ngikhamba njalo ngipeyita ngenzani manje ngaya kumuntu ugogo lapho ugogo lo manje vele bengisolo ngihlala ngipeyita kuye ngigabha kuye manje ngelinye ilanga kwafika umuntu ugogo lo ngugogo obereka isindu kanti kuzoba nomuntu ozokufika lapha athi naye uzodinga isizo lapho lo gogo lo anomuntu lo kanena uze nemplan zakhe. Eze kancane aze malanganyana azakayithuka i3 nokoko lamjwayela athi hayi no kushithi lo nayo ngokunye odinga usizo kimi. Kanti umuntu lo kanti uze ukuthi azogalaja ugogo lo. Umuntu loya utshela ugogo lo gogo ngifuna abantu abayi15 abazokubereka eColumbus le mayini le. Iba futhi inhlobo zakho lezi angifuna ukuzamela abanye abantu bangaphandle ngibabo lawo bakho laba. Ugogo la nangu athatha ifoni asifonela ke nasisize lapha athi izani ngizinyani bawo izani nonke ubiza thina bonke la abeka besikhamba imisebenzo lapha kuye lapha. Nasifika lapha ugogo lathi noma 1,500 niwa deposita eShoprite. Umuntu lo uthi sho uzonikeza umbereko. Beyamfonela indlela uspeaker. Umuntu lathi no ifakeni ngaphakathi ihlanganise yonke ihlangana imali leyo and then nithathe nifake eShoprite bese ninginikeza iphini leyo 1 leyo. Awu senze njalo sithathe sifake imali leyo. Bekulosithathu sifake nasicela ukuyifaka bathi ngolosihlanu ke sikhuphuke siyile Middleburg imine khona ngeColumbus sikhuphuke sekhona le nasifika le nasijame kumatheni soloku into ethe sijamela badama nthini ngabo ma1 sifonela ugogo logogo kanti kwenza njani ngoba umuntu lo akaphuma athi ngicela ukukhuluma naye nje uthi uzokuphuma lapha sihlale kuze kubetha abo5 entambama gogo kanti kwenzana gogo athi umuntu lo ngimfonelile uthe ubhizi emithinini asinethemba phela ngoba ugogo lo phela sikhamba kuye asibona ukuthi umuntu lo angayenza ubutsotsi enyangeni no wasithele bekhamba njalo ngabo ma6 sithi ayikhona nje khona phela sekuba sethuku nje sifonela ugogo athi umuntu lo uthi thengana ukudla nidle bese niyahamba ngoba kunomunye usesami maziko ngizomfunela indawo nokuhlala ngegarage nakho bathi ukudla ngemalinyana ebisiphethe abathi usinikeza lapha kwabekwa bhala until namhlanje. Nasibuya kugogo umfonela umuntu angasabambi nemfoni.
Ngokubona kwenu neqiniso lokuthi ugogo akazani nalomuntu.
Hawe khona bangazwani abangazani naye. Umuntu lo nethi usuke la so khona azi ukuthi ugogo kunabantu abakhamba kuye. And nathi sithembele kuye njengenyanga yethu. Ukuthi vele abantu sizombeliever somkholwa into asitshela yona. And ngoba uyabona ukuthi vele desperate ngomsebenzi.
Ngemva kwaleso sehlakalo nokuthi akasatholakali nenzani ukusuka lapho njengokuyokuvula icala emapholiseni.
Yeah, saye emapholiseni la ikwahala sayokuvula icala. Mara bafika lapha basitshela bathi into ezingalezi zihlala zenzeka amakhesi maningi nasikhona ukutraceka into ezingalezi.
Into enjengale nayikuveleleko ikwenzakaleleko kutheni kuwe kukwenze wasaba kangangani ukufuna umsebenzi?
Yaroy ibe khumkhuluthi imali leke umtshele ukuthi ngiyithathe ngondla abantwana bami ngayo mara nje ithethe ngayilahlela kufana ukuthi ilahlele ngemanzini ukuganasana khambini nemali yonke plus nemali ukuthi sisuke la transport ukusuka la ukuya le nokubuya nokho nemali ukudla sikhiphile ukuthi sidle le umuntu osimochile empilweni manje angithembi umuntu nangitshela ngombereko futhi especially umbereko angitshela ukuthi ngikhipha imali angifuni ukubona next angitshela lokho vele.
Okhunye ke sithokoza ukuthi ukwazile ukusipha ithuba ke uvele usazise usikwazi kodwa nokusiza nabanye kulula kangangani ke kodwana ukuthi ebantwini obaziko ukhulume nabo ubafanisele ukuthi kunengozi enje wenze ukuthi bahlale bavula amehlo batshejile.
Ya into njengalo ngiyayenza thothi sihleli so endaweni lezethu zokusijabulisa ya kunokuba nama-topic amaningi nyana nami nokuvela nayo le ngithi madoda phela niyelele ngoba kunento nje and umuntu khona uthuma ayenze again uthuma ayenze kube nomuntu osenaye ukuthi nimthembe khulu umuntu lo and ukhethwe one ngathi nimthembile la ahlale kuye abe busy naye uyazi umuntu lo nakantshela something nizovele nijampe niyenze.
Solo kwenzeka lokhu kube njani kuwe ukwazile ukuthi ubuye uthole omunye umsebenzi?
Ngaphinda no?
Solo kwavela lokhu ke wakhona wena ukuthi uthole umsebenzi njengoba besolo ufuna umsebenzi?
Kuba nzima namhlanje sangibheke ngisahleli namhlanje.
Yini eyenza ukuthi kube budisi ukuthola umsebenzi? Ubona ukuthi ngoba imisebenzi ayikho namkha nguwe sewusaba ukuyokuzuma umsebenzi ngoba uzagalajwa?
Imbereko siyazama ukuthi uapply wenze yonke into le mara umbereko awutholakala abantu abaningi sebathindisa umbereko manje thola mina ngisathembi nokuthemba ukuthi lokho ngaphinde ngikhiphe enye imali nokuthemba umbereko wona umbereko yona ikhona mara ayitholakali nje lula njalo then ukuthi ukhambe ukuthi umuntu akhona kutshela ukuthi ninikeza imali engaka before ngifake emberekweni manje mina ngisanothembe njengalelo.
Sithokoze khulu ukuthi ube nathi ehlelweni. Nasibuya kombukeli siqala indaba le nomnyango wezabasebenzi. Sisehlelweni Sibuya Nenyanda indaba nkulu indaba yemisebenzi nabogalajana abagalaja abantu abangakatsheji khulukhulu labo abafuna imisebenzi badlelwe imali. Sibe naye munye umuntu esikwazi ukukhuluma naye obengungazimbi walesehlakalo sokuthi adlelwe imali ngombana afuna umsebenzi. Estudio sino baba ovela emnyangweni wezabasebenzi nokuqatjhwa ubaba Mazibuko. Siyakwamukela baba Mazibuko, siyathokoza ukufika kwakho.
Sithokoza baba Lochama Bukeli.
Simzwile umbukeli ongazimbi ngombana uzithola i-victim yokuthi adlelwe imali ngokufuna umsebenzi. Abantu bathembise ukuthi uzamfaka emsebenzini amfune imali efakwa esitolo okwenza ukuthi ngabona kungabi lula ukuthi ayilandelele. Zande kangangani lezi zehlakalo mhlambe ziyabikwa nje nalapha emnyangweni wezabasebenzi?
Yeah, we have a problem with those kind of opportunities whereby these people, they claim that they got employment and then people must deposit money. And for example, last week only I received 3 that are coming from the social media where they say that these are the jobs. Some of them, they even use government logos, like our government logo as an opportunity, like they want 5,000 people nationally and all those things. And they are there. Some of them, like there's one, they talk about WhatsApp to this number, just say hello, uthule, and then labels will respond. We don't have those things. We don't work like that, but we do receive them in most cases.
Uqinisile kwandile lokho lapha einkundleni zokuthintana ku social media. Umuntu ungathini kufanele enzeni umnyango wenzani ngalokho?
Normally, we expect people when they receive this kind of adverts or this kind of invitation, they report to our offices. Remember, we've got offices in every town in this country. They report that issue to us and make sure that they verify the information. We are going to manage with this change in technology because you will have to go to the employer or to the person physically who have the CV kuye. You are still to check with Lomutlana Ukoda or Ageko. But now, because of social media, they say to you, email the CV, and it's difficult for you to verify the information. But it's important that if something like this happens, you go to Labor Department and check with them whether do we have this person registered with us. But remember that for an agency to operate, they must come to us to give a license to operate. So we must check with us, do we have that agents under our name? If not, then they are illegitimate. So we don't work with them. That's it.
Esingakubuza ukuthi umnyango ofana nomnyango wezabasebenzi uyawafaka ama-advertisement lapha ku social media nakuboma WhatsApp nawufuna abantu bazokusebenza?
No, we don't do that. Remember, as a unit, we've got our own database where people are unemployed. They must register as job seekers on our system. So now, automatically then, we work with people that are on our system, that are registered on our system. Because when they're on the system, they're being prepared by a career counselor. And now, if you've got jobs, you just go to the system, we match the opportunity that people that are on the system, then from the system, for example, with our internal jobs, we don't advertise on the social media. Even if you go out and canvas for jobs, we don't advertise on social media because we've got people on our system that you need to be placed as jobs. So normally we don't advertise, we don't do it at all.
Baba Sibuya kule nkulumo yethu sifikelwa lapha ubaba uBongani Mahlangu ungusomnotho. Mahlangu siyakwamukela ehlelweni Sibuya Nenyanda.
No, ngiyathokoza basehlelweni ngilochise studio ngilochise nemakhaya.
Sithokoze besinongazimbi lapha owagalajwa imali ngoba afuna umsebenzi bathi imali ayifake ngeaccount esesitolo kodwana kazange sayithola leyo mali nomsebenzi akange asawuthola. Njengosomnotho kunomthelela ongangani lokhu ekupheleni kwemisebenzi nekuhlogeni imisebenzi kwabantu?
Ngiba umbuyelele ngoba isound yenu ayizwakala kuhle yona.
Sibe nongazimbi lapha owagalajwa imali ngoba afuna imisebenzi kwakhutshwa kwathiwa kakhuphe imali. Azange sayithola imali nomsebenzi azange awuthole. Lezi zehlakalo ezenzekako zabantu abafuna imali abathembisa abantu imisebenzi kunomthelela ongangani emnothweni nekuvulekeni kwamathuba wemisebenzi?
Ngiyathokoza mara nasikhuluma ngomthelela wakhona ubakhona emnothweni. So sikala lana ukuthi abantu abaningi siyazi ukuthi unemployment eSouth Africa ingaphezulu abantu abatsha iphezulu kakhulu. So ngenxa ilona economy ya decline nemisebenzi ya decline. So abantu abaningi baba desperate and good desperation lena abanye babona ithuba lapho yokuthi bangadlala ngedesperation nabo. So into yenza ukuthi njoba ngisho ukuthi abantu badlala ngedesperation abantu babona ukuthi imisebenzi ayibi khona. So kubalekile ukuthi umuntu nakabhadaliswa aqale akukho la ozokubizwa khona for umsebenzi bakufuna imali ngaphambili. Noma kungaba i-labor broker noma kungaba yini angeke bakufuna imali ngaphambili. And nokubona futhi abanye abantu banokubhadaliswa bathi anitholi imbereko ngenxa yokuthi i-CV yakho ijame ngendlela enjani ijame ngendlela enjani. Uthola umuntu akhipha i-300 ukuthi basho ufuna ukurevampa ukustructure i-CV yakhe ukuthi basho izomhelebha ukuthi amathuba akhe ukuthi athole umbereko abengqononyana. Nalokho esikhathini esiningi ukudlala ngemali yakho and i-CV yakho futhi ungazirevampela yona wena ngokuya lapha ku-Word ku-laptop yakho ikhona i-function lapha i-template ye-CV usebenzisa i-template leyo wenza i-CV yakho uyi-structure ngendlela oyifuna ngayo or according to i-application or i-vacancy lena oyibonile. So umthelelo omkhulu kwe-economy ukuthi i-economy izokuya phezulu ephasi akubi ne-significance engakho mara izinto lezi zenzeka ngoba i-economy yethu ayibereki ngendlela eyi-right.
Usabambe njalo baba Mahlangu lapha ngestudio sino baba uvusi Mazibuko wemnyangweni wezabasebenzi. Baba Mazibuko ngikuzwa uyavuma kilokho uMahlangu akuchoko ngiliphi leli phuzu?
Yeah, it's true, Baba Mahlangu. You know, labantu abahlakaniphe kanjani because they say to you, you pay 1,000 rand either but uniform or but training or but to do your CV. Do you understand? And once they start to say to you, pay for training, pay for a uniform and pay for this, then it means abeko legit. Because normally agencies are not supposed to charge any fee to any job seeker. Even if you come to training, I mean, how do you train somebody? Do you understand? And like example, no, is a call center, and then you pay 1,000 rand. They know that after a week, because you get paid on commission. Do you understand? Obviously, for the whole week, we will go there, we can't get clients. And that's what we do. They do that every now and then. But then once they say to you, patara imali, then it's another story. Then you have CV. Remember, in my office in the Labor Department, it's career counselors who are there to assist job seekers about CV writing, interview preparation, and the world of work. Those offers are there. They're offered for them by the career counselors for free. So it's available that you go to a labor center and you do that. Or some labor centers, normally because of the social media again, we don't have to go to the labor center. We do it also via Facebook, WhatsApp, whereby we prepare you and show you to do the CV. But really, people are desperate, and now you should not be willing to pay any money. And also be careful, my Betty, any job. And the job is so simple. I know my qualifications, I know requirement, I know experience. Then we'll be very, very careful about those ones. Those are easy jobs that are very, very interesting. And yeah.
Sizokuragela phambili nale nkulumo yethu zindaba ziyazokala lapha ukuthi umuntu wathi omunye nomunye umsebenzi uyibone lapha ukuthi ingozi. Sibuya Nenyanda. Ehlelweni Sibuya Nenyanda siphethe indaba yokugalajwa kwabantu abafuna imisebenzi. Estudio sinomjameli wemnyangweni wezabasebenzi nezokuqatjhwa ubaba uvusi Mazibuko, kanti emtatweni sinosomnotho uBongani Mahlangu. Ngaphambi kokuthi siye entolo Mahlangu, ukhuluma indaba yabantu abatsha, ukuhlogeka kwemisebenzi lokhu okhona njengoba sazi isibalo siphezulu kubafaka ngaphasi kwegandeleleko kangangani abantu abatsha ukukholwa yonke into abayibona ku social media ngamathuba wemisebenzi.
No, abantu abatsha njengoba ngisho ukuthi uthola umuntu ozankabe ungena emberegweni for first time, and then umuntu lona isikhathi esiningi akanayo experience. Njengoba ngisho ukuthi njena amathuba omsebenzi ayadecline, so kuba nzima kakhulu for umuntu lona ukuthi angene into lesibiza ukuthi labor market. Sebona abantu abatsha abaningi bayakhamba la eSouth Africa, sengisho nalabo banamaphepha bafundile bayokufundisa isikhuwa kuma-Asian countries, abo-China, abo-South Korea, njalo njalo. Ngenxa yokuthi i-labor market ye-South Africa yethu ayikhona ukuba-accommodate, ukuthi abantu kufanele bachiye emakhabo. Sifuna abantu abatsha abanye sebaze bangenela endrweni ezifana ne-pornography, ama-OnlyFans. Abuza thina abantu abo ukuthi yini esibabakala lapho, bathi ukuthi bayokumbereko lefolweni ile kuphi mara msekawutholakala. So sekubhanga nezintweni ema-community wethu esingazibona as unethical and immoral, just ukuthi akhona elwane. Khulukhulu into engizama ukuyisho ukuthi ibavulela to exploitation, ibavulela ukuthi ama-labor rights wabo angathathwa serious ngoba uyakhona ungena endaweni bakuberegise ngendlela ebathanda ngayo umuntu omuthi bayazi ukuthi akukho la uzoya khona futhi abantu abatsha labo uthola bakhompyuta nabantu ababuya ngaphandle for amasalary so abantu ababuya ngaphandle ebanganamaphepha kuhle uyazi ukuthi bona bangathatha noma imalini and wena leso sikhathi ufuna ukuthi uprice i-labor yakho ngaphezulu kwabo so kuba nzima ukuthi ucompete nabo abantu abo izinto esizibonako lezo and futhi abanye abantu batsha bayile enkolweni bafunda into lesizibiza ukuthi ama-skills education according to the home affairs kuna-140 something yama-skills and qualification kulist leyo mara still abantu aba bakhona ukuthi bangene emberegweni so ngikho ubunzima abantu abatsha baqalana nabo lawo and leso sikhathi umuntu loyo uyaguga naye government esikhathini esiningi wenza amapolisi bathi-target abantu abatsha and hayi abantu above 35 so shothi lelo kuthola umbereko usesengumuntu omusha according to i-classification yabantu abasha 16 to 25 yoba nzima kakhulu nawuphuma kuleyo
Baba Mazibuko endabeni le yalaba abagcine bafuna imisebenzi ngaphandle ngeke ngibuze ngesikhuwa ukuthi i-department i-accounta kangangani kilabo nokuthi kuphephe kangangani ukuthi umuntu angase akholwe i-advert embizela ngaphetsheya ukuthi kunomsebenzi.
Yeah, it does happen in esiningi whereby you get those jobs. Normally, most of them belong from human trafficking. And just recently, we had one for Ireland, you know. It was one of the best experiences that we had as a department. Because now we're working in this country, Ireland, they want people to within the construction field of it. Believe you me, one of the guys who got that job, or that opportunity, or that job, you like, Taga boy. You know Taga boy? That guy has never been out of Johannesburg in his lifetime. Now he's got this job to go to work in Ireland and to be paid in euros. We do have currently, we're meeting also with Canada, where, you know, those ones are safe because as a government, we are able to check and verify issue of working conditions, nama salaries and all those things. Those are available. We are able to do them. But then now, if somebody will tell you advert, this is advert, this is this agency, the job outside, you need to come to us as a department to verify whether is this agent one, is it legit or not, the agent itself. Okay. Now, number two, now we check whether is this job available in that country where they should go to. So that we are working with Home Affairs, with DECO, to check that people that go through us, remember, but those go through but we prefer that before you go to take those jobs, because really these are some of the things that happen about human trafficking, where they promise you this nice job, you go to wherever, most of the part they take your passport, back valela, you become a whatever slave.
Abanye bathenjiswa ukuthi bayogada abantwana babazimbelesi le lo umsebenzi lo bathi maneni.
Yes. So rather before you take that look aside, people are desperate. But don't allow desperation overrule your thinking capacity as a human being. Because first of all, check akuthi, is it really? And check, can you do that job with your qualifications? Can you do that job overseas? If it's so nice to be good, don't do it.
Kukhulunywa indaba yabantu abatsha la nekungibo ukukhulu abazithola bakulesi simo ungathini kibo?
We normally siyasebenza abantu abasha ba attend ama services ethu as a department. Either they go to the labor center, or we do have ama sessions whereby community offices or built areas to tell them about our opportunities. Remember, so about the issue of the social media. So now it's also easier for a young person to access our services on social media. Because you go to a smartphone, you go to you access our services. You can able to log your CVs on the system. You are able also to see which jobs are available on the system. And then now you match yourself. Okay? That's the problem. Matching yourself good now. What about is system? I'm there for almost for 3 years. I've never been called. It does happen. Remember, supply and demand also dictate terms how to get the job. But our system is very, very watertight. We use that system to recruit.
Baba Mazibuko sithokoze khulu ukuba nathi ngestudio. Baba Mahlangu sikuthokoze ngokusikhanyisela njengosomnotho kilesi sihloko siqhakatheke kangaka.
Sithokoze.
Sithokozile. Kwamambala sifike esiphethweni sehlelo lethu kwanamhlanje sisibuya nenyanda nevekezako kuzokuba njalo. Cezela kokosi.